Hello and welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. Today we are going to save you a little bit of money and I'm going to show you how I paint on cardboard, right? So if you're anything like me, you get these deliveries and get a whole bunch of pile of boxes, but you can cut these up and they make great supports for painting. So come along and let's get started. So we're all set up and we're ready to go. And I just want to show you some of the materials that we'll be using today. I have flat brushes. I have like a little scraper that I made. What I did was I cut a piece of cardboard and I wrapped some packing tape around it to give it like a smooth edge so we can move some paint around like that. Of course, my little mini squeegee. And we're going to use these mini rollers, which are great. They're very cheap and believe me, they do the job. And of course, I got a bunch of palette knives that I tend to use very randomly. And crayons and oil pastels. And I got some jumbo oil pastels too, which I'll probably break out. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay a ground on our piece of cardboard. Now, if you notice, I left the packing stickers on there just because I think that that might come in handy and they might show through. It might be interesting to the design. So we're going to be pretty free in our application of the paint. This is going to be an expressive piece. So I have no idea of how this is going to turn out, but hopefully it'll be something enjoyable. So I'm just going to pour some paint on and I'll show you how I use this. All right. So we just going to move the paint around the little ground. I do like how the stickers and the markings on the box are showing through. This cardboard has a little bit of texture, so that might work to our advantage as well. I probably put on too much paint, but that's okay. You don't need much at this stage, just so you have a nice ground. Keep our rags handy. And keep a jug of water or a little cup of water handy next to you so you can clean your brushes very quickly. So let's just spread this out. Now, I like to be very generous with my paint. I like to go thick. As you can see, this covered pretty well. I'm going to wipe away some of this paint so some of this can show through. Yeah. See, now, I don't know if you could see it, but the sticker is starting to show through, which is pretty cool. Just wiping that area away just a little bit. So we're going to let this dry. We're going to come back and then we'll start having some fun with it. We are back. Now, I put these buckets of paint on top of the drying cardboard because sometimes when you put paint on a cardboard surface, it tends to buckle, like it'll bend or curl up. So I just put these on here to make sure that it lays flat. So let's take these off. And some of the paint peeled off because of the weight. But that's okay because I think these little impressions are pretty cool. And we're going to use that. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take these masks that I cut out from cardboard boxes, like cereal boxes and so forth, and I'm going to lay them randomly around the piece, and I'm going to put another coat of paint on it. But I think this time I'll use like more like an off-white. So this is just white mixed with a little bit of yellow. we're going to paint right on top, another layer. All right, that's very subtle, but it's starting to look like something. Okay, folks, so I'm at a little bit of a conundrum here. I'm loving the piece, but I gotta go to a barbecue. So I will continue this piece at another time, but let me show you what we have so far. It's not done, but as you can see, this piece of cardboard is definitely holding up, and it's a great support. So if you're practicing or if you're trying to figure things out and you want to work on your skills and work your ideas out, cardboard is an excellent and cheap way to go. I hope you guys got some ideas out of this. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Keep creating. Don't let anything stop you from getting into your studio. You got this. So I will see you soon.